Hello, I'm Tom Henshaw. I'm one of the area business directors here at Certa, and I want to introduce you to one of our two products here. So our first product is the Epinephrine Convenience Kit. It's an anaphylaxis solution. When you talk anaphylaxis in a kid, what's the concern? We talk about calculations. We talk about anaphylaxis. Anaphylaxis is a life-threatening situation. What's the drug? The drug is 1 milligram to 1 ml epinephrine. How is this drug typically administered in both an EMS setting and a hospital setting today? Your TB syringe. This is the most common application. And when we looked at error rates nationally from studies, pre-hospital error rates were around 60%, hospital error rates were around 39%. So why? Why does this tool have such high error rates? When you look at it, let's take an 8-kilogram kid, for example. The calculations are fairly simple with a 0.08 dose, but the chaos and the stress surrounded by the situation causes us to possibly move the decimal point because we can. There's too much room and we can have an error. In those studies we looked at as well, we also saw that the TB syringe can go wrong route. In our studies that we reviewed, 14% of the time, the TB syringe went wrong route. That went into an IV port. Nobody wants to put this concentration of drug in an IV port. The other thing we talk about is dead space. If I look at this tool right here, there's 0.084 dead space. So the medicine drawn is not always the medicine delivered, or the medicine delivered is not always the medicine drawn. So how has Certa come up with a solution? What we've done is we've designed a syringe with 9 color confirmation zones. These colors will pair up with any color-coded system you have out there, and they'll match accordingly. If you look here, we've got the 9 color confirmation zones. We're the only FDA-approved device from neonate 2.3. We've also got permanently attached needle, so that it cannot go wrong route. We've also got minimal dead space, so the medicine drawn is the medicine delivered. If I were to take our pediatric resuscitation tape here, notice I can use this from head to toe, or I can use it from feet to head. Our patient right now is in the purple zone. We grab our syringe, I draw through the color, and I deliver IM sub-Q the same way I would do it. Now what's included in our kit? You'll find that you'll get 2 epinephrine color-coded syringes in a rigid pack along with the right concentration of the drug. Why do we package them together? It's a convenience kit. We want everything packaged there so that you can deliver in a timely manner. You're not fishing around the back of a wagon. You're not fishing around in the ED. It's all packaged safely, conveniently in this kit, so you can deliver the correct concentration at the point of care. We gave you 2 syringes because 25% of the population requires a second dose. On the back here, you've got your color-coded chart, so all you do is color match. With our color system, we use cognitive reinforcement so that you can match colors, deliver, make it simple. One of the things we've done is develop the Pediatric Resuscitation tape that pairs with the ECK, so you can length your kid, purple, deliver, patient saved. Dosing made simple. Thank you.